Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing and swatching the Norvina Mini Pro Pigment Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. This palette was released on ABH website on October 28th and on the 31st at Sephora. This palette and Volume 1 are only available to purchase at ABH website and Sephora online and in stores. This is a 9 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $29. The palette has the same style of layout as the Big Pro palettes with the same type of packaging. It's a plastic packaging with a magnetic closure with a good quality mirror. The eyeshadows in this palette is also labeled from A through C and 1 through 3. As of now, I still don't know if the Mini Pro palettes are limited edition. I still haven't found anything that states whether they are or they're not. So just like I thought the Mini Pro Volume 1 was kind of a mini version of the Large Pro Volume 1, I feel that this one is like a mini version of the Large Pro Volume 3 palette. They don't share any eyeshadows, but they do have a similar color scheme. I really do appreciate that they don't share any eyeshadows, especially because these are only 9 eyeshadows, so it wouldn't really make sense to purchase these smaller palettes. Also, the pans of the Mini Pro pigments are smaller than the full-size palettes, but they are bigger than the eyeshadows that you find in the 14 pan palettes. So out of the 9 eyeshadows, 7 are mattes and 2 are metallics and 4 are pressed pigments. So when I did my swatches for the mattes, I only had issues with one, the shade C3, the brown shade. When I swatched, it swatched uneven, so I had to layer it a couple times to get a full even swatch. The rest of the mattes swatched evenly without any issues. When I tested them with the blending brush, all mattes blended out smoothly. I did have kick up and fall out. For the 2 metallics, these were both creamy and pigmented. They swatched evenly without any issues. I recommend a finger application for these or a wet synthetic brush for a better payoff. So overall, if you like the color scheme of this palette, I recommend it. It's a colorful palette, so if you don't tend to use color, I would say skip it. These have the same formula as the Large Pro palette, so if you have trouble using those or you don't like the formula, you won't like these either. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Have you picked it up or are you planning on getting it? I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.